Today I'm going to show you how to cook. Well, I kind of am doing like a two-part cooking episode where we're going to cook some chicken breasts and we're going to eat some of them tonight, and then we're going to use some of them tomorrow to make chicken salad sandwiches. So it's kind of a two-in-one meal option that you can do while you're camping, just to make it a little bit easier to menu plan while you're camping. So I thought I'd show you first time recipe. We're going to try it out and see how she works. I'll show you how we're going to do it. So I already started a little bit. Decided to take, we only have 3 chicken breasts since there's only 2 of us. And we decided we were going to pound them down just to make them a little bit easier to cook. And so they'll cook a little more evenly. So I just took a bottle of balsamic vinegar because that's what we had in the camper. We just pound them out. We did this a little bit earlier and I neglected to film it. So you just pound the heck out of them until they're all about the same size. And then we didn't end up using the balsamic vinegar. Instead, we just decided to season them. And we seasoned them with one of my favorite seasonings, Creole seasoning, which is apparently a gigantic container for whatever reason. And then we also love the Ya Bee seasoning, which is a Minnesotan brand made in Rochester, Minnesota. So I know our local Hy-Vee carries it, but I know you can also order it on their website if you're interested. But no affiliate links for those at this moment. But we just thought I'd show you what we're putting on our chicken. We did this a couple hours ago, and so now they've been marinating in just those seasonings and a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to throw them on the grill and cook them up. And then eat a little bit of them tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to turn them into chicken salad for chicken salad sandwiches. So here we go. You'll see I'm using a rubber glove. It's just a little bit easier. You don't have to wash your hands 100 times when you're dealing with chicken. So our grill is on high, and we've currently got it at 400 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and just throw these on. Bring you guys over so you can check it out. And we'll come back in just a minute and see how they're doing. So one product that we recommend to friends and family, and you guys, because you know, you're pretty much friends and family at this point, is a Thermopop thermometer. And currently not an affiliate or anything like that. It's just legitimately something that we love. We actually own one for our house and one for our camper. And that's what we like to temp our food with. We're going to go ahead and temp our chicken. So chicken's supposed to be at 165 degrees. So we just turn on the Thermopop, turning the button on. It's an instant read thermometer, so you don't necessarily have to turn it on right away. But we'll just check our chicken out. We're at 184. 180. 193, 174, 185. We're good to go. So we have dinner number 1 out of the chicken breast right here by the campfire. A grilled chicken breast that has some seasonings and olive oil marinade on it. Maybe that's not considered a marinade necessarily, but that's what we did with it. For a little extra seasoning, we're gonna add some Farm Boy barbecue as a sauce, because I'm saucy. I like sauce. I like dipping stuff. Okay, so I've eaten 1 bite without saucing it. That's one of the rules that we have in our relationship, is that I should try things without dipping it in ranch or barbecue or ketchup or whatnot. And this is fantastic. So again, what we used was olive oil, Creole seasoning, and yayabi, which is a Greek seasoning.